users potential annual revenue. This is an estimate and should be used only as a reference. Okay. So on this platform, you can use it to know how much you'll be paid on your blog, on your YouTube page, thereabout. We value your content. Creating content takes time. Making it profitable shouldn't. So you can click here to get started to register your Google Adsense account. Okay, 2 million people have already chosen Adsense. So this is how much you can earn. This is how much in this very location. See how much you could earn from Adsense. To view your potential earnings, select a category for your site and a region for your site visitors. Okay, so this is what happens here. This is what happens. We'll put maybe like I'm in Africa, Europe, Middle East, and Africa is being categorized together, and let's use health niche for example. Okay, let's use health niche for example. Let's see how much a health niche could give for a year. This is how much the health niche could give for a year. Monthly page view for 50,000 users. Potential annual revenue. This is an estimate and should be used only as a reference. Okay, this is a relative amount that someone can earn annually from your website for 50,000 page views. Now let's calculate how much it can be if it's on health category and it's going to be, let's say that you are in North America. Let's say you are in North America. Let's say you are dealing the same thing, health niche, the same health niche. Let's see how much someone in North America will earn for the same 50,000 pages. As you can see, $10,440. See, that's a very big difference. Okay, let's see what happens if you are in a different location. Let's see, you are in South America, Brazil, Peru, Argentina, and the rest, and you're still doing the same health niche. That's 2,322. That's quite lower than Africa for someone big page view for 50,000. So there are different things that Google use in quantifying these things. Now let's change from health. You can check the rest by yourself. Let's say you are in finance, you are in North America. Let's use Africa for a start again. You are in North America and you're on finance category. Okay, so you'll be earning $11,682 as your potential annual revenue for the same 50,000. Okay, let's see how much it will be for someone that is in South America. Okay, let's see North America first. North America first for finance is giving $19,278,000 for North America. That's much higher than what we saw earlier for Europe, Asia, Europe, and the Middle East and Africa. So let's see how much if it's related to South America for the same finance. Okay, you can see that the difference is clear. The difference is, as you can see, this one is $12,000 for finance. So the difference is just different. It's there for different people, different locations, and when the category you are doing. All you have to do is, before you start your website, before you start whatever you're doing to assign yourself to get started with AdSense, just come to this location, come to this platform, Google AdSense.google.com, and check your potential and check your potential.